Take a ride in the 2012 Ford F-450 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-450 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.